Hey everyone, today I wanted to record a brief video on how Ressio's time clock works. Currently, I am mimicking the mobile app here as if I was on a phone, and I'm going to go ahead and click on time. This is going to bring me into my time clock where I can clock in and out in real time or record a previous shift. Go ahead, assign it to the proper project. Shift type, this is something that can be set on a per employee basis. If I was a field team member, I would not see pricing associated with this, and I can either pick one or have a standard one already included. Cost code, this is going to allow us to sync this time clock recording back to a project budget, and then it's going to pull in start date, time, and location clocking in from. Description is an open text box. I'll go ahead and clock in. It's going to start recording my time at the top of the screen. Once I'm ready, I can go ahead and clock out, add anything if I need to, and submit and finish. So that's option number one. Option number two is you can record a previous shift. Biggest difference here is there's going to be no geolocation with a recorded shift. Now I'm going to jump over to my desktop version where I'm going to look at the timesheet page from an admin point of view. So I'm going to go to time clock. I'm going to see my shift reports here. Easily come in here and filter down based on a particular project, worker, or date range, and also download as a CSV. What I can also do as an admin is I can approve, edit, or delete shifts. If I go ahead and approve a shift, it's going to push this shift into my project budget for Kayla Lorentz Custom Home, as well as I do have the option to set up a sync here with QuickBooks Online time. So if that's something you choose to leverage, happy to discuss pushing this data over there as well. We're going to go to this project's budget to see how this tracks. I go to project management. I can see all my actuals that are being recorded in, and most importantly, I can see the one for February 5th, which is today, for the 13 cents. That's how the Ressio time clock works. Please reach out if you have any questions.